Hey everyone, Earth Angel Hills here, and today, as you can see, I'm working with Moonstone. So I first want to start off by saying that every time I work with Moonstone, I create some of my most beautiful designs, and I think that's a way that the stone actually speaks for itself. Moonstone is ruled by the moon, and it definitely helps with introspection, which is where we find our creativity because the moon represents our inner world and what is inside of us and what we are designed to bring to the outside world. So I was actually feeling kind of stuck with what I would create, and this stone itself just helped me get very creative. Some of the keywords they mention for Moonstone are mystery, self-discovery, intuition, insight, dreams, and the goddess. And since it's Libra season, this is actually a great stone that can help Libra season or just help us all in general as we are in that season, because it helps us to find balance, creativity, and self-reflection. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me work with this stone. It's one of the most beautiful stones that I've ever worked with, and it always brings out a wonderful and beautiful creative piece. And I'm very thankful. I give thanks for this stone and for all of you.